Hello guys, this is Vysh. So I've got a lot of messages now because the prelims is nearing. Sir, please motivate us. Please help us cope up with this pressure, this nervousness, this anxiety. I understand all these things. It happens every year and it is very normal. Okay, only those who are preparing very well, they are the ones who will be obviously feeling tense. The others are anyway sitting cool and they have anyway not done any studies. Okay, you have done a lot of hard work. You are giving a lot of mock tests. You are seeing your scores are going low. Maybe that is the reason you are telling this, and I understand that. And this is the time when you follow a lot of toppers. Okay, like Srushti is one of the most popular topper, and you all would have seen her videos or her motivational quotes and many things. Okay, 2018 when she became AIR 5, that time she had written a lot of articles, and in social media also she is very active. So she has written a lot of quotes. Okay, so those quotes maybe it can motivate you. So I'll try to tell certain things which she told, and also certain quotes, and also what you have to do, and all those things I will try to tell you. Okay, so the main problems you are facing, okay, is the failure, right? The failure is what makes you scared, and people around you, including your family, your friends, everybody keeps telling like you didn't even clear the prelims. The first round you can't clear. These people actually don't know that prelims is the toughest stage, or prelims is the biggest eliminator, where the numbers also I'll tell you, like this much lakhs of people go and only thousands will clear. That is the biggest eliminator. Okay, remaining rounds, if you see mains and interview, there is a higher chance that you get through to the next round. But prelims is the biggest eliminator that these people around you don't know. They just see it as a first round and tell like you did not even clear prelims. So you should not listen to these kind of people who keeps asking you how many years you are wasting, how many amount of money from your parents you are simply spending here and there in the name of coaching and notebooks and mock test and all these things. You don't have any backup plan, including like you had a job once and you quit that job, and then you are doing this nonsensical preparation, and it's like not meant for you. It's not cup of your tea. This kind of dialogues will come around. Everyone will keep telling, okay, because these people have never even dared to even think of such an exam. Okay, they have always done everything safe in their life. They did not take risk in their life. They have got something maybe in the usual process, which everybody like studies a graduation, then goes to a proper placement interview, or maybe a simple easy state level government job exam or something. They did and they got into it. That doesn't mean they did not do the hard work. Okay, but UPSC is a totally different ball game, and you have dared to enter this race means you are already much ahead of them. Okay, so you don't have to worry when these people tell these things. Okay, sarcasm will come, people will troll you, people will mock you, people will even stop supporting you. Okay, the ones who initially were showing that excitement, okay, like my friend is preparing UPSC, he has gone to Delhi, such people later will not tell very good things about you. Okay, you may not be able to know, but that is what happens. Okay, then your funds will start reducing, your resources are ending, you don't know what to prepare. You next year you cannot continue in your coaching center or the city where you are staying. You will have to come back to hometown. Then no support, or maybe if it's girls means even it's again other things in our country like the marriage pressure and all these things. So like that, many problems are there which you people face. And one of the biggest, another problem which people don't know is about the over motivation. Okay, there are some people around you who don't know anything about this, but simply motivate you. Okay, meaning for the sake of it, like you are anyway going to clear, you don't have to worry. Okay, a little bit of worry is actually needed. Okay, if you are too much overconfident, because of the over motivation you get from people around you who has no idea about this exam, they are actually the real enemies you have. Okay, such friends should not be there who simply keeps motivating. Okay, you will anyway simply go and clear. You have anyway topped your 10th and 12th. You can go and easily clear the UPSC. Such over motivation also you should stay away. Okay, these are all extra things I am telling you from my end. Okay, not what Srushti told. Okay, so now if you see one of her very interesting line which she told when she cleared the exam. Okay, the beauty of UPSC exam. The beauty of UPSC exam is that it transforms you into so much of a better person who is more aware, more responsible, more concerned, more sensitive, more disciplined, more tolerant, and more curious. Okay, all in all, a better you, where all your capacities are utilized to the fullest. Okay, this is what she told, and this you can find it in the internet also. I took it from there only. So she is an example of a person who tells you to stay positive in everything. Okay, because it's not about just clearing an exam or clearing in the first attempt and becoming a topper in prelims or topper in mains. That doesn't matter actually. It's about whether did you prepare properly, and if you prepared properly, you will become a better citizen. Okay, you will start blaming the government for no reason. You will start understanding opposite person's problem. You will understand that service to people can be done in multiple ways, not only through UPSC. There are many things which you learn, how the government functions, how the taxes are paid, how a responsible citizen should equally contribute to the government, and you will do everything in the right way. Okay, the finances, the funds, you understand everything. That is why UPSC transforms you if you prepared properly. Okay, not the ones who simply take one copy pasted material from somewhere in some Telegram group and just read that and go. Not those people. I am telling those who did the research, who studied about UPSC, who understands everything. Such persons like you, if you are one of them, you will be a better person. Okay, so be grateful that you chose this. Okay, this is just a screenshot I wanted to show you about her marks also. Okay, and if you see in essay and all, she has not done among the greatest of greatest marks. Okay, essay and all, there are very much higher marks for others in that year, but the other GS paper she consistently scored good marks, and including, if you see here in the optional, which is the most highest scoring one also, she has scored nicely in sociology. Okay, so overall her marks came in such a way that she ended up in all India rank 5. So you don't have to be perfect in everything. Even if your essay is weak, or maybe your ethics is weak, or maybe one subject in GS3 is very tough for you, it doesn't matter. The other papers which you feel you are confident on, that you have to work harder and then increase that marks. Okay, you just have to get the near cutoff kind of marks in the other papers which is tough for you. So this kind of things you have to keep in mind. Okay, and then she herself follows Vivekananda and all, and she keeps telling another quote which is very popular. Okay, which Vivekananda told: take up one idea in your life. Okay, it's there in movies also. Take up one idea, make that idea your life. Think of it, dream of it, live on that idea. Okay, that should be the only thing. Should be like you are eating, you are sleeping, anytime. It doesn't mean you 24 hours sit in the chair and then study something. When you're not studying also, when you see something on the road, when you see some movie, it should relate or come back to your own goal. Okay, like this way, okay, maybe this also will help in my goal, or that extra textbook I saw, that ad, that also will help me. Like that, everything should connect with you. Okay, let your brain, your muscles, every part of your body be full of that idea and leave every other idea alone. Okay, this is the way to success. This is told by Swami Vivekananda, and this Srushti keeps quoting in every now and then. Okay, that's the only reason I put her photo in the thumbnail, because I'm taking certain things in her articles. Okay, what she has told in the past. Okay, other things also I'll tell you. Okay, so this is by Vivekananda. Now, if we have to tell you the numbers, okay, in what happens, what is going to happen on May 28th also, exactly this is going to happen. 10 lakh people would have thought, like the last year, that is when last prelims got over, that time in June month, many, at least 10 lakh or 15 lakh people would have that time in the mindset, I have to give IAS. Okay, that too in different reasons. Some will be like parents are forcing them to do. Some are because they want to serve the people. Some are because they want to get the this IAS bungalow or that car and other things with the facilities which you get, the safe government job and unlimited salary. That kind of lot of things which you get, right? The free bills and free many things you get. There are many benefits which government office people get. So there will be any reason to join this, but there will be 10 lakh to 15 lakh people. Let it be whatever the reason. That is the number. Okay, then only around 5 lakh or 4 lakh is the count which every year goes on to the prelims date, meaning they download their admit card and they in different parts of the country will go on May 28th and give the exam. In that only 50,000 would be there. Only 50,000, okay, will be ones who actually studied the entire 1 year. Okay, there will be at least 2-3 lakh people who went to coaching, who bought books, who joined test series, who did multiple things. But I'm telling 50,000 will be such people who, that Vivekananda's quote is there, every single day you dreamt of this, you worked hard on this, you wrote mains answers, you did mocks, you listened to your mentor, you did everything right. Okay, that 50,000 people will be there. So it's not like everyone is going to become IAS, but 50,000 will be there who deserves actually to become IAS. Okay, maybe not this year, next year they'll become. In that 9,000 who is lucky enough, because luck is also a factor, lucky enough that day your health is fine, that day your mentality is fine, that day whichever you last minute you revise that exactly to 5-10 extra questions came, or CSAT one question which everybody got stuck, you alone could solve it. Some luck factor should be there. So that 9,000 people will clear. That doesn't mean that remaining 41,000 are poor. They will clear in the next attempt surely. Okay, so you have to at least come into this 50,000. That is where it decides whether you are that aspirant who deserves actually to become IAS. Okay, this 50,000, it's not this 10 lakh or this 5 lakh. Okay, that is like many other. This 50,000 if you reach, either this year you will reach into this 9,000 or to the next year you will reach in the 9,000. Okay. After this, if you see 9,000, 2,000 is going to clear. That is a high percentage. When you compare from 5 lakh to 9,000, 9,000 to 2,000 is a very much higher ratio. So once you clear prelims, there's a high chance that you can clear mains also, provided that you write a lot of mains answers from a good institute. And then 1,000 will come in the final rank list, which will come now. May 23rd, I'm expecting the UPSC 2022's final rank list will come, and you will know who is the topper of 2022. Okay, and among them, only 400, 500 are the ones who will get the exact role and the cadre which they decide. Meaning they would have decided like, okay, I want this thing in this particular district of my state, that only 400 to 500 will get. Remaining people, because their ranks were a little lower, they would have wanted IAS, but they will maybe end up in IPS, or maybe they end up in IRS, or maybe they wanted their own state, but they could not get it, they got in the neighboring state. So like that can happen because their ranks were little lower than what they expected, but anything is fine. They anyway reach the toppers list. Okay. So one thing you have to know, that one exam cannot decide your fate. One exam cannot stop you from serving people, which you actually wanted, or what was your intention for giving this exam. One exam cannot stop you from getting the life you wanted. If it's the riches and the this respect and people saluting you, all these things which you want, that is also, there's nothing wrong in dreaming about that. Okay, everybody has their own choices. So that these exams cannot stop you. Okay, one exam doesn't stop you. You can again try harder. Whatever mistakes you did in the previous year, you can just overcome it, and the next year you will definitely clear. And if that exam is still not happening, your age limit is over or something, maybe the state level exam you will clear. Something, you will be that much capable. That's what first I told you. You will become such a great person that you are much ahead of many others around you, your friends or your family, your cousins. You are much better than them. Okay, in knowledge wise, in talent wise, in hardworking wise, in this everything, dedication wise, everything, you are much better. Okay, so you don't have to worry. You are already much ahead of all these other people, because UPSC is one of the toughest exam in this country. Okay, I cannot tell most toughest because there are many other exams. It can be medical exams, can be CA exams. There are many exams that are tough, but UPSC is one of the most toughest and one of the most dynamic paper. Every year the syllabus doesn't change, but the way they ask questions, the way they frame questions from the simplest of simple topic makes it tough. Okay, the question formation makes it tough because the time is not enough. They give a small duration to solve 100 questions which are very difficult. Okay, so only a daring few decide to attempt it, and you are one of them. Okay, you are so special that you have decided to sacrifice 1 year or maybe more than 1 year actually, because this exam needs time. It's not like prelims mains interview gets over in 6 months. It takes 1.5 years for the 3 stages to get over, and you are sacrificing that 1 year. You are stopping to meet friends, you are stopping your trips and vacations and everything. So you are already special. Okay, so you may or you may not clear UPSC, but if you have studied well, you shall definitely do something great in your life for sure, and this is my guarantee to you. Okay, so believe in yourself. You are already doing something good, so you shall succeed sooner or later, maybe UPSC or non-UPSC. So just go ahead confidently and keep studying, and then you will realize that you are doing good in your life only. Just don't make this a prelims result or a mains result, wherever you fail in case, that is not the end of your life. Okay, so this one more thing which Srushti has quoted is about this Chinese military general. He has a book of quotes actually, the complete about war strategies and all these things. Is a very interesting, again, one quote which I liked. Victorious warriors win first and then go to war. Meaning in their mind they have already won. They know like what is the strategy. They know what exactly they are going to do it in the battlefield. They are actually the victorious people. But the defeated ones are the ones who actually without any preparation go to the war first and then seek to win. Okay, meaning they have no idea, they have no strategy. If something goes down, how to cope up, they don't know anything. So there is a difference between actually one who becomes victorious and who gets defeated. Okay, so you decide which side you want to be. You have to prepare or you have to not prepare. So preparation is everything. Okay, one more thing I'll tell you. His hundreds of quotes are there. If you want, okay, you keep sticking many things in your wall and all, this person's quotes are excellent. Okay, I am recommending you, if you are a person who needs constant motivation like this in the form of quotes and all, learn his quotes. Okay, his quotes will actually help you a lot in life. Okay, then one person who is everybody's favorite, he keeps telling the same thing. Okay, youngsters are so result oriented nowadays that we actually forget about the process. The process is more important than the results. And if you take care of the process, you will get the results. This is exactly the same thing I told you in my style. Okay, so please see to it that you are enjoying the process. You sit and do next 20 days for prelims. You sit and study every single day without bothering the result. Your target is like this day, this many textbooks or this many questions. Do that. Don't worry your marks are coming low. Don't worry your books are not getting completed. Keep doing it. Non-stop, keep doing it. If today is again you are not completing, tomorrow again get up and start to catch up. Okay, it will happen. Okay, don't worry that even if something is going pending. You have already done a lot of hard work in 1 year. Okay, so if you don't know why people fail in UPSC, that is because they don't know about the paper. Okay, that's why I keep telling you, study for UPSC only after you study about UPSC. Okay, this thing many people don't realize. What is this about UPSC? How is UPSC different from other papers? This is exactly what through my foundation I am trying to teach you. Okay, that's why when everybody asks like, why Vysh IAS? Who are you to teach us? What qualification do you have? Why should I believe you? Okay, every year our students are clearing. Like this year also Jammu and Kashmir Administrative Service, one student has cleared. Today a student messaged me like Andhra Pradesh Horticulture, some exam she cleared. These are all not like we are directly teaching them, especially for that state exam. We are guiding them what is needed to approach to an exam. Whatever competitive exam is, there is a method to approach that exam, and that in full India we are doing the best way. Okay, so that is why I'm telling you, one time try Vysh IAS. One time, it's free. I'm not asking you to pay anything. One time just WhatsApp me, get that guidance video, the 25 foundational videos, and do it from one video number 1 to video 25. It will take 6-7 days maybe. Okay, I'm not telling for those students who are now going to give prelims, don't waste your time, focus on your studies. Others, okay, who thought like, should I try Vysh IAS or not, just WhatsApp me in this number, get that 25 foundational video, and sincerely, without skipping, without any prejudice in your mind, simply watch it from first video to last video. Keep a notepad with you. Whatever I tell in that video, note down, and you will see that at the end of the 25th video, you will be so much confident that you will come and thank me. Okay, this is my guarantee, because I have been getting that much appreciation, say, from across the country, from every kind of age group people, from veterans also, from freshers also. So simply I am not claiming it. Okay, initially when we did it, we did it for a few people only, but now when we opened it up to everyone and we are forcing people to watch it, we are getting more and more good responses. So why not, when you do these many things in this preparation phase, why not try Vysh IAS 25 videos once in your life? That is what we have to suggest to you. Okay, now upcoming videos, I will do these things. Mindset to have on May 28th. How many questions to attempt in the morning paper and the CSAT paper, how to clear the cutoff of 2023. Some more motivational videos will come, and the 2024 series of videos will start with the 1-year timetable test series announcement. Okay, then we have also plans to have certain paid packages also. Usually our YouTube will be completely free. There will be no stopping in that. Every textbook will be done for free here, but little more higher quality lectures I am planning, and that will be a little bit paid in a small fashion, in a paid group format. Okay, so that you can choose to enroll once we launch it. Okay, mostly by the end of this month or June first week only I'll be able to announce it, because I'm working on the structure for that. Okay, but the the free classes on YouTube will continue. Okay, only the test series will be paid as usual, and the few extra paid small courses for current affairs and for some ethics and some subjects we are planning. Okay, that will announce soon. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Please comment, okay, if this video helped, or anything you want to suggest to other people who are preparing, or any toppers quote you want others to watch, anything you tell in comment section. Help each other and then try to clear this exam. Okay, so all the very best. Thank you and have a nice day.